Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 31st, 2021. We are going to talk about Ethereum Classic. I'll try to give you all this very urgent price prediction into the market in Ethereum Classic because you guys can tell that, the majority of the time since my last video about Ethereum Classic, the market really hasn't moved. It's just been trading sideways. So I wanted to come in today and give you all an update as to what I'm noticing on the price chart for Ethereum Classic. Can we see a massive sell-off, or can we at least still expect the price to go up? Now, welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. I am not here to confuse you because I already know that there is a plethora of noise already being displayed roundabout on YouTube. So I just want to come in and show you what the price is anticipated to do without you all being confused. So if you guys appreciate my price predictions, my videos, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, join the team, join the community, because we are definitely hitting a lot of these price predictions out the park without showing you all no confusion. All right, so check this out. December the 12th was the last time I did a video in Ethereum Classic. You guys can see it, right? I was playing the strength into the market in Ethereum Classic. Now, question, has the price gone up since that time? No, it hasn't. But the majority of the time, you guys can see that the price in Ethereum Classic has just been trading sideways. So it kind of lets us know that the market is not necessarily all that weak. The market is not ready to go up neither. So how long will it take for us to actually see the price in Ethereum Classic go up? Well, in order for us to answer that question, we will have to look at this from a different time perspective. So now let me get rid of this arrow real quick, because I really want us to see whether or not the market in Ethereum Classic is still geared for higher prices. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to extend out this prediction, because if it's still applicable, I'm going to continue to ride with the market anticipated to go up in Ethereum Classic. If not, then I'm going to get rid of it, and then we're going to place some weakness in this space for Ethereum Classic. Now, one thing before I switch over to a different time frame is I wanted to show you all this, right? When we did our video on December the 12th, we understood that this area was being utilized as restriction, and that is still the case today. How do I know that? Well, the answer has already been determined. Look at these 4 days right here, to where the market in Ethereum Classic tried to break up above, but it couldn't do it. Right there around $37.50. Yeah, that's the issue. So if I'm still looking for the price to go up at the conclusion of this video, we also need to make sure that the buyers are able to overcome this $37.50 price level, because if we get rejected there a second time, then yeah, the market is going to go lower in price in Ethereum Classic. So I just wanted to break that into you all first before I show you what my expectations are going forward into 2022. Now let's look at this from a 3-day perspective. The last 3 days, okay, look at this, still confirms that there's still some selling involved into the market in Ethereum Classic. Now, this current 3-day price bar, which we have 6 hours and 49 minutes left, it doesn't necessarily mean that the sellers are still in control. Even right now, the volume is light, for one, and then two, right now we are closing above the previous 3-day price close. All of that is very important for us to understand whether or not the market is going to continue to go up. Can we still expect that to happen, or are the sellers still controlling the price? Right now, it looks like the buyers are still up here trying to uphold Ethereum Classic's price. So let's look at this on a monthly time frame, since today is the last day of the month. Now, yes, from a monthly perspective, the market here in Ethereum Classic is still weak. It is still dominating this market. So let's not get it twisted. Let's not get it, confused that the price in Ethereum Classic is readily strong right now, because it is not when you look at this from a monthly perspective. Take a look. Now, could we see this happen? Do you see that? These monthly price bars right here, beginning of this year, 2021, this is where Ethereum Classic was trading. And it continued to uphold this ascending line in the beginning of this year. And here we are today, the last day of the month, and the market in Ethereum Classic for December has came and confirmed this overall trend. So yes, is the price in Ethereum Classic still trending alongside this ascending line? Take a look. It switches over to the daily perspective, and you all can see that that has been the case right here for Ethereum Classic. So yes, overall, we still have the support area in the market for Ethereum Classic at $28 or $29. And then on top of that, the price is still trading above that ascending line. So yeah, can we still see the price in Ethereum Classic go up? Emphatically, the answer is yes, because of those two reasons alone. So Let me show you all what we got going on a 2 weeks time frame. We have 2 days and 7 hours left, and this is weakness too, right? So I'm not all that bullish into the market in Ethereum Classic. We can still see a sell-off occur into the market in Ethereum Classic. Now that sell-off may just bring us back down here to this $28 price level, which is like, since we did our last video in Ethereum Classic, which is around what, 25, almost 26% movement to the downside from that time. So yeah, that's still possible. So I want you all to think that the market in Ethereum Classic is about to shoot up like a rocket right now, because I am not seeing that from these time frames. See that right here? Even from a weekly perspective, we are still seeing weakness. 5 weeks. Look at this. Now, taking a look at this on a 5 weekly perspective, like I said, we got 2 days and 7 hours left. Either the sellers are not showing up, because look at this volume, which would be a good thing for us to play some strength into the market in Ethereum, or there's just no interest to see the price go up. This is why the volume is extremely light over the last 5 weeks. Look at that. There is no one in Ethereum Classic really participating in this market. We have 2 days and 7 hours left now. Unless a whole lot of volume comes in the next 2 days and 7 hours, this is definitely something out of the norm. This is something that we need to take note of, because it's going to lead us into the beginning of the year 2022 to see how high the market in Ethereum Classic is going to go, or how low the market is going to go. We're at a very crucial spot right now in Ethereum Classic. So let me show you all this on an hourly time frame, because we're not really seeing too much, right? So I'm not really concerned with the price in Ethereum Classic breaking down, and I'm not necessarily too concerned to see the market break out. So it's pretty much the same. But what I'm going to do though, yes, I'm going to continue to go forward with my original price prediction on December the 12th, based off those 2 reasons I said earlier in the video, and because the price is still consolidating, right? My only issue is to see this price break above $38.50. That's the only issue I see that is impeding the price progression in Ethereum Classic. That's the only thing. So what I'm going to do here into the market in Ethereum Classic, I'm going to continue to go forward with my price prediction. I really don't see too much indication of monumental weakness. Now, if I were to see the price come down to $28.50 and I still see weakness, then yeah, this play is not going to go right. I already know that. So I don't have to be emotional. I don't have to be fearful. I don't have to be nervous as to what happens when price comes down to $28.50, because it still let me know that, yeah, I need to cut the play. It didn't pan out. But as of right now, I'm not going to change it. No, not yet. Okay. So now, question. What is your price prediction though? Right? Real quick, just drop me your price prediction in this video. Drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think the market in Ethereum Classic is going to do as we go into 2022. And that's it. Keep it simple. Money talks and noise walks. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.